Hello, I'm so happy you're here.
Hello, it's good to see you.
Hello, Aunt Nan.
Hello, Uncle Bob.
My brother, my sister-in-law, my niece, and my nephew. It is so wonderful to see you all. We have missed you.
We missed you too, sis.
We missed you, Aunt Nan and Uncle Bob.
Thank you for inviting us.
Of course, please come in.
We brought you these flowers.
Oh, thank you. These are beautiful. You didn't have to.
It's just a little gift. How is your day going so far?
A bit busy, but we're so glad you're here. How was the drive?
It was fine. The traffic wasn't too bad.
The kids are so excited to see your cats, Sunny and Rusty, again. They've been asking about them the whole drive. I'm so glad the traffic wasn't bad. I'll get Sunny and Rusty. First, let me take your coats. We can hang your coats in the closet, and please lay anything down that you want to over here on the table. I will put these beautiful flowers in a vase. Thanks again. They are beautiful. And look, Sunny and Rusty are here.
Kids, Sunny and Rusty are ready to play.
We'll let the kids give Sunny and Rusty some turkey after dinner. It's Thanksgiving for the pets, too.